Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried printing a spreadsheet and found that your data cuts off awkwardly or ends up spread out over way too many pages, today's video is going to solve that problem for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to create and adjust custom page breaks in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to control exactly where your sheet breaks across printed pages, making your printouts much neater and easier to use. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up the spreadsheet you want to work with. If your data is already organized, that's fantastic. If not, don't worry, you can always come back and tweak this process as many times as you need. To start setting up custom page breaks, you'll want to head up to the top left corner and click on the File menu. It's right there in the main toolbar at the very top of your screen. Clicking File opens up a bunch of options. From here, look for and select the Print option. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to controlling what your printed spreadsheet will look like. Now, when you go into print mode, you'll see a preview of how your sheet would look as a printout. But if you've got a lot of columns or rows, you might notice that Google Sheets automatically decides where to break your pages, and sometimes the choices don't make much sense. That's where custom page breaks come in handy. To set them up, over on the right side of the print settings, you'll see an option that says either Set Custom Page Breaks or Turn on Custom Page Breaks, depending on the version you're using. Click this button and the screen will shift to show your spreadsheet divided by some thick blue or gray lines. These are your current page breaks. Here's the fun part, you can actually click on these lines and drag them wherever you want. Just move your mouse over a line, click, and then drag to a new row or column. For example, let's say you want to make sure all of January's data prints together on one page. Just drag the horizontal page break below the last row for January. You'll see as you move the break that the preview on the right updates in real time, so you'll know exactly what's included on each printed page. You're not limited to just moving breaks either, you can add as many as you need. If you want, say, every region's data on its own page, just click to add new breaks and drag them into place. Don't worry if you make a mistake here, you can always drag them to a new spot or delete a break entirely by dragging it all the way off the grid. Once you're happy with how the pages are breaking up, look for a blue button that says Confirm Breaks. This saves your custom page breaks and takes you back to the print preview. This part might take a few moments if your spreadsheet is quite large, but that's normal. Finally, when you're satisfied with how the print setup looks, simply click Next or Print depending on your browser and OS, and your document will be printed or saved exactly as you see it with nice clean page breaks where you want them. And that's it, now you're in total control over how your Google Sheets look when printed. No more awkwardly split tables or half-printed names. If this tutorial helped you, please help me out by hitting that like button, and if you have any questions or you ran into any trouble, drop a comment below. I do my best to reply and help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.